This Morning regular Matthew Wright, 57, has broken his silence on Phillip Schofield's departure from the ITV show, following rumors that the star and Holly Willoughby were feuding behind the scenes. On Saturday, Phillip, 61, announced that he was stepping down from This Morning after experiencing a very difficult few days. On Tuesday, Matthew, who regularly appears on the ITV show, seemingly attempted to put the Phillip vs. Holly dispute to bed and told Twitter that the atmosphere on the ITV set was terrific. After Phillip posted that he had quit the show with immediate effect, Matthew broke his silence and admitted he felt gutted that the presenter had gone, after he supported him through a tough time. He wrote, "Gutted for it, Schof, there for me when I was having problems a few years back." Read more. Holly and Phil rift claims addressed by This Morning guest Matthew Wright post-appearance. Fans have come out in support of Matthew's statement, with many agreeing that they're sad to see the veteran go. One wrote, "I'm with you on this one, Matthew. Don't think it will be long before Holly goes. I like them both as well, but think Holly showing him no support and staying is shameful, but money talks." Another said, "Thank you, Matthew, for being so lovely to Phillip. I am so sad to see that Schof is leaving. I am so grateful for Phillip. I send him love and respect. We'll miss him so much. Don't miss." Phillip Schofield quits This Morning after difficult few days. Report, Holly Willoughby is unrecognizable as brunette in smoldering lingerie shoot. Photos. Ulrika Jonsson slams narcissistic melting pot of ego between Holly and Phil. Comment, a third agreed and commented, "I think it's a shame he has left under this good without even a final show and a send-off." However, Wright's original tweet has also attracted some criticism from This Morning fans, with many taking an opposite view of Phillip's departure. One Twitter user wrote, "Good riddance, I say, bye." Another said, "To be honest, the whole program feels dates and could do with new presenters and a new format. Sick. It's the same people reviewing news and giving opinions that often appear insecure, except Josie Gibson, who's like a breath of fresh air." A third claimed, "It's the best news that's long overdue." The TV personality often appears as a guest on This Morning. Earlier this week, he was accompanied by broadcast journalist Nick Ferrari and debated the latest news headlines.
Melted.